This was Dave's artwork before joining the sketch club, and this is his artwork today. Deborah struggled with shading, but now she creates depth with confidence. And 12-year-old Jason wanted to improve his portraits but didn't know where to start. But inside the sketch club, we gave him a clear path to follow. Different artists, different challenges, one solution. I'm Marty, the creator of the Cartooning Club on YouTube, and if you never heard of me, I have a channel with over 5 million subscribers, generated over 1.5 billion views, and not only did I do it once, I did it a few times over. I also worked as a professional art director for 25 years in the video game industry for Activision Blizzard and Microsoft. And on my spare time, I've created children's books for NASA, twice. And my first book was live streamed from the International Space Station. This is Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen. We're buddies. And combined, I have over 30 years experience as a professional artist in the video game, film, and online industries. So if you're looking for a place to improve your art and creative skills, join me in the Sketch Club. I have a growing library of step-by-step drawing courses and workshops, and we're adding more every single week. You'll also get access to me to provide one-on-one coaching and critique. You can share your artwork into the member gallery to get recognition and support. And since you're here, I want you to join that free 7-day trial to get access to everything. No commitment, and you can cancel at any time. And if you're not yet convinced, ask my friend Snoop Dogg. Yep, I also create artwork for him too. But don't wait too long because $19 a month is not gonna last. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the inside.